All right, so it's all up and installed. It was not a super easy process. It wasn't really that hard, but it was annoying. The wire management was somewhat annoying. I had to, after trying to hide the wires, did not do a super good job there, but that was the length that was required. It's kind of blue. I was able to put the backup camera on the back. I super glued it instead of having to drill it on the back, hoping that would be okay. I'll show you guys what it looks like when you turn it on. Alright, so it has this fun music. It's got a picture of an Aston Martin. And there it is. We got ourselves the dash camera, and for some reason some form of, I don't think that's Arabic, I think that's Thai. But so after you put it on, the dash camera is really quite quality. But oh yeah, so how you switch, so you got your power button. This goes to your touch screen, which is odd. If you want to go back, by the way, you just tap the camera button and it takes you back. This button, I haven't really figured out what it actually does. So then you just kind of go back to the main menu and do that. So this up button doesn't do much. This down button selects what mode your camera's in. You can either see a split screen like this, where you have your backup camera and your regular screen, your dash screen or your backup camera. Fully backup camera, which, as you can tell, the picture is medium quality. Not great, but medium. Full that, that with a little bit of that, or full backup camera with a little bit of dash, or split. So yeah, it's okay. Supposedly you can record on this as well. I don't really care to, for obvious reasons. So yeah, there you go. It's pretty good overall. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a 8. I wish the quality of the camera was a little better. Other than that, I should mention too, it came with a separate red cable that you can splice into your backup light, so it knows when you're back reversing. But honestly, I don't think that matters so much. Oh yeah, so you can also just do that. Oh, maybe you can't. You can tell it's trying to do something, but I can't tell what. Okay, well, guess you're stuck with it. All right.